In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in Shotcut. By the end, you'll know how to create a smooth transition between two clips and how to switch to a different style if you want something more dynamic. To get started, make sure you already have two video clips on your timeline, one sitting directly after the other on the same track. It helps to zoom in on the timeline so you can see the clip edges clearly. Place the playhead near where the clips meet so you can quickly preview what you're doing as you work. The fastest way to create a transition in Shotcut is to overlap the clips. Click the second clip, then drag it to the left until its beginning sits on top of the end of the first clip. As soon as they overlap, Shotcut automatically creates a transition at that intersection. You'll see a new segment appear between the clips. Play through that area and you'll notice the first video blends into the second. The amount of overlap determines the duration. A small overlap gives you a quick change, while a larger one produces a slower, more gradual blend. If snapping is enabled, it can help you line things up without accidental gaps. If your clips include audio, Shotcut will also blend the sound during the overlap, which helps avoid abrupt audio cuts. If you need a cleaner mix, adjust the overlap until both the picture and the sound feel natural. For precise control, zoom in further and drag gently. If you pull too far, you're not deleting anything. You're just extending the overlap, and you can always undo. You can also click the transition segment itself to select it, which makes it easy to see where the effect starts and ends. If you want a different look than the default blend, you can change the transition style. Right-click directly on that overlapped segment, the section that represents your transition, and open Properties. In the Properties panel, you'll find several transition types to choose from. As you click through the options, a preview appears on the right, so you can see how each one behaves before applying it. This is a great way to compare a classic dissolve with a wipe or other styles and pick the one that fits the mood of your edit. After you select a style, play that section back to judge the timing. If the move feels too abrupt, increase the overlap to lengthen the transition. If it feels too slow, reduce the overlap to tighten it up. On slower scenes, longer dissolves can feel cinematic. On fast action, a tighter transition usually works better. Watch the action in each shot and make sure important moments aren't hidden inside the effect. That's all there is to it. Overlap the second clip onto the first to automatically create a transition, then open Properties on that overlapped area to choose a different style and preview the result. With a bit of fine-tuning, your cuts will feel intentional and polished. If this video helped you, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy editing in Shotcut.